Hello, welcome back everyone. Happy New Year. First film of 2022. Now, just to let you know, I'm starting off slowly. I've had a terrible case of the coronavirus. I'd say just starting to get over it now. So I'm going to start off with a quick film about something I've been dying to share with you. I actually received this before Christmas, and it's a Curateur box. Now, I don't know if any of you have heard of this before. It's created by Rachel Zoe, the fashion designer. It's quite widely known in America. I'm not so sure about the UK. They do ship to the UK, they ship to lots of countries internationally. So I'm going to leave all the descriptions, everything you need to know about this down below. So click on the show more. And yes, I'm really excited. I've not even unwrapped this box. I wanted to do it with you. But Curateur is a subscription box, but it's not any average subscription box. This is all luxury items. I don't know if you remember the jamboree bags when you was little. I used to love a jamboree bag, you know, and get a nice little gift and sweets, and it's just lovely, isn't it? It's the surprise that does it. And that's what I like about this box. The idea of this box is it's like a grown-up jamboree bag full of luxury items. The boxes come quarterly, so 4 times a year. You subscribe to it. I'm pretty sure it's $9.99 a month. I think there's a special offer on at the moment as well, which I will also leave linked down below. And every quarter you will get a nice Curateur box that's a lovely surprise to come, isn't it? It's just, I love unwrapping stuff like this and make you feel good. Who doesn't want to be spoilt by a box of goodies? I'm quite excited about it. Let's crack on and get into the box. So there you go, you can see I've not unwrapped any of it yet. So Curateur, curate your life in style. Now, so the first thing you come across is the quarterly magazine. On here you have the wonderful Iris Apfel. Is it Apfel? I know she's quite a wacky, out there dressed lady, isn't she? Very famous now. And through the book you've got a letter from Rachel Zoe, who's on there, and what's going to be inside this box. So this is what's going to be inside. Now I think you choose, you get the box of goodies, but you get to choose each quarter 1 or 2 items. So I think you could either have the dressing gown or the blanket. I'm not sure how it works, but I know that they've gifted me both the items so that I can show you those. I'm looking forward to undoing it all, that's for sure. You Beauty, so there's obviously some skincare in there. We'll flick through it all again in a minute, once as I unwrap it, I think. Yeah, so this box, it'll go through what your gift is for the quarter, and you've got some other bits and pieces in there. So I look forward to reading all about what Rachel's got to say. And let me say, this isn't just beauty or fashion. You get homeware, you get accessories, you get jewellery, you get bags. There's all sorts of bits and pieces that come in these boxes, and I think once you're subscribed you get to enter a shop, the Rachel Zoe shop, and there's like Missoni on there, and it will be discounted prices, all luxury items but with a discounted price, so that becomes your invite as well. Yeah, let's dive in. Right, so this is obviously the bag that we've just seen on inside the book there. Let's have a look at this. I actually don't use a lot of clutch bags, but it's always nice to have an evening bag, isn't it? It's very nice. Right, so there you have it. It's a mock animal type skin. You've got a magnetic popper. It's leather, I presume, and it's by the brand called Winters. Now in there, yeah, Winters. It's quite a sizable clutch bag as well. Now if I was going to take that out, I would have a couple of pairs of socks or tights in there to just pad that out a bit. Right, now I've just fitted a small towel in there, and I think that makes that look so much better already. So imagine that full of all my goodies. But yeah, it's a lovely bag. That's going to look really nice on any evening out, and I don't have a lot of evening bags, so this is going to be rather welcomed into my wardrobe. Let's have a look and see what it says about the bag. Get wild with this. Oh, £79 is the value of that bag. It's the Nikki clutch. Get wild with this metallic mock crop clutch by pairing it with faux leather pants and a slinky sweater at night, or simply use it to add some shine to your favourite jeans and t-shirt during the day. I'm not sure that I would wear it with a t-shirt and jeans, but I'll definitely use it of an evening. Very nice. Right, next, 2 items of jewellery. This one's undone. And what is this? Jennifer Zuna jewellery. Oh, this must be a necklace. So there you go. That's a lovely, what would you call that? A snake chain serpentine. We'll have a little try on of that. Beautiful. And this is what I said. It's a very posh jamboree bag. There's another one here. Oh, I think this is the same in the silver. So maybe if you was subscribed to the box, you would get to choose either gold or silver. So this is a silver version as well. Beautiful. They'll look lovely together actually. I'm going to put them on together. Very nice. And both of these items so far, I have to say, I've never heard of these designers, but they're most probably famous American designers. Let me know if you know either of these designers or any of the designers that I'm going to mention through this box. This one is Third Love. Let's have a look and see what we've got here. Oh, that is beautiful. Lovely material. And it's a kimono. You've got lovely wide sleeves on there. It's about 3/4 length. That's going to look lovely with my silk pyjama trousers. Beautiful. You've got a nice thick edge on there as well. Really thick. Lovely. And a nice thick sash belt. So, Third Love. Another brand I've not heard of before. Let's see what it says. Right, before I get onto that, I've just noticed in this magazine, this is part of the shop and the items that you can get at discounted prices for being a member, which is brilliant. That's Gucci, I think. Yes, vintage Gucci quilted belt bag. It's reduced from 125 to 899, so they're the sort of discounts that you're going to get. I can't find the price for the Third Love robe. There is a write-up on the Third Love. Yeah, so that's the robe. I can guarantee I'm not going to look that sexy in the robe, but I'll enjoy wearing it. So yes, so that's the satin robe. Beautiful. Cajere Vice Impossible Mascara Volume. Look at that posh box. Oh, it's red. So yeah, you've got your nice mascara there as well. I look forward to trying that. Very nice. Could you imagine buying this for someone as well though? What a lovely gift it would make. Right, next. U Beauty Resurfacing Compound. That's interesting. Let's have a look and open the box. I've not heard of this brand either, so do let me know if you've heard of this one. There's lots of wrapping on my floor. Oh, I like trying anything new resurfacing. I'm wondering if this is retinol. Oh, no, it's a cream, I think. Ah, it's like a gel serum. Oh, that feels nice. Doesn't smell. Let's see what it says. This multitasker will simplify your beauty routine by combining 6 products in one. It brightens, tightens, renews and protects to give you that lit from within glow thanks to a potent formula that also happens to be gentle on sensitive skin. Well, I'll tell you what, I look forward to using that. I'm going to try that and I'll keep you posted on how that goes. Very excited about that. And the price. $228 is the value. Oh my god, that is expensive stuff. Wow. Let's hope for good results then, shall we? I look forward to updating you on this one and seeing if it's really worth money or the buck that it says that it's worth. That's going to be interesting. What else have we got? I think this is the last one. Chula blankets and throws crafted in South Africa. Oh, let's have a little undo of this one. I have to say it's a thoroughly enjoyable box to unwrap. I love it. Oh, this feels absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, it's huge. Mind you, it's a blanket rather than a throw, I think. This, it's more for your home. Yeah. And you've got like a zebra print on there. It's like cream and golden tones. It's got a lovely finish on it with the fringe. Oh, very nice. So I'll look forward to lounging on the sofa with this one, or maybe even when I'm out. Things like this are great to have over a coat or jacket, I think. You've got the tag on there as well. I don't know what it's made of. Let's have a look. Your blanket is thoughtfully designed by African artists and is sustainably and ethnically made in South Africa. What material is it? Let's have a look in the book. Oh, you can see young Rachel standing there with her blanket. They've got 3 different design of throws there as well, ranging from £65 to £99, and it's valued at £129. I'm not sure what the materials are. Let's have a look. It just says acrylic. It feels lovely and scrummy and soft though. That's quite expensive for acrylic, but it's very nice. I like it. It's cream. It's my favourite colour, of course. So that's it. I've made a big mess, but I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing, and I certainly did. I'd love to see what else Curateur have throughout the year. So you get 4 boxes a year, and who doesn't love a luxury unboxing full of surprises? I love that. I love that idea. So thank you for watching. I'm going to spruce myself up now. I'm going to make a cup of tea and snuggle up in my cosy blanket. Thank you for watching. Please give the film a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. I'm going to try and do 2 videos a week this year, hopefully. Fingers crossed. I'm going to try very hard, and I'd love it if you joined me. So I'll see you very soon.